Welcome back, my friends. Man, have I got a special one for you today. I know you guys are grown used to seeing Annabelle, maybe Sweet Pea, you know, some things like that, projects like that. You probably just watched a video on Sweet Pea and the bodywork, but today, no, we've got something way better than that. This trumps it all. We are talking about sheer muscle madness here. We are talking about the creators, horsepower galore, right? That's right, we're talking Dodge. That's right, you guessed it, Chrissy's mom van. That's what we got in the shop today. We're gonna be working on that. Let me just show you what we're working with right here. All right, prepare yourself. I'm about to expose 220 cubic inches of set you in your seat, spilling the kids' McDonald's french fries all over the floorboard, unadulterated horsepower. I mean, just look at that. Damn. I mean, seriously, guys, just take a look at just the sheer size of this thing. Oh, well, still though. So the problem we run into with this van is it makes so much torque. It just goes through these transmissional pieces down here. Yeah, yep, that's what happens. Just chews them up, spits them out. All right, back in the day, when you'd have a transmissional problem and not shifting, which is the case here on the old Caravan, if you will, the GT Caravan, you know, you'd probably have like bands or, you know, some kind of valve body problem, things like that. And you'd have to take transmission out and stuff like that. Luckily, on these newer cars, Dodge kind of knew this was going to have an issue, I assume. So our problem is this little guy right here. What's great is it's right on top, conveniently. All right, you see we got that turd fired up and cut the horsepower loose just a little bit. I didn't want to give it all the beans, intimidate everyone, but we cut her loose just a little bit. I'm sure you guys are super impressed. No? Okay. So, in all seriousness, we had a little fun at the expense of Chrissy's van. Obviously, I just wanted to make a little short video here. If you've been watching our channel up to this point, you've seen at Christmas, we had some blooper reels and behind the scenes stuff that we featured. And that's something we want to try to do moving forward, is keeping it lighthearted. So that's what we kind of did with this video. But the other point of the video is too, I wanted to feature is that, you know, we don't have like millions of dollars and all this stuff we're throwing in a race program. So, you know, we try to pride ourselves on being like a blue collar type do-it-yourself channel, and I wanted to try to feature some of the stuff that we do to make the racing stuff happen. And one of the things is if we can work on something ourselves and not put it in the shop, saves us money, and that's money we could put towards the race program. So, and believe me, we've got a lot of stuff we got to do. So, and we're going to be featuring all that. So, again, you know, we appreciate you guys that are sticking around, giving us the likes, comments, and all the stuff. You already seen we got some new intro stuff going into the season, so we're going to have a lot of new things. So, and we still got lots more to come here. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the bottom right-hand corner there. We greatly appreciate that. Give us a like. Be sure to comment. Let us know what you like or dislike. You know, we try to be very responsive with the comments. And, you know, moving forward, we're going to get the van out, and then we'll get Annabelle back in, and then we'll be working on Annabelle and then Samara, and we'll have a bunch of projects coming up. And then hopefully, you know, we can get everything ready for the race season. And, you know, we'll have some other kind of announcements coming up real soon. So make sure you stay tuned, and we'll see you later. That's right, we're talking Chrissy's mom van, Dodge Caravan. That's what I'm talking about, and that's what we got to be working on today. That sucks. That's right, we're talking about Miss Chrissy's...